We inserted those planes in the previous tutorial, so now we will use these planes to insert sketching on them. So to use the lofted boss feature, so select the plane from here, sketch. So now you are able to insert a sketch. Let's sketch a circle, except sketch. Also you can select the plane from here and insert a sketch exactly as the original sketching normal tool, or you can keep that view and create rectangle. Okay, select that plane. Let's first exit that sketch, select that sketch, and let's again insert another profile or circle, that origin, and okay, exit sketch, select another one, sketch, let's make a rectangle, exit. So now we are able to work with the lofted boss. Let's activate lofted boss. Here are the profiles we need to loft, so we can select them from here. So you notice now you are creating a loft, but here there's something. When you are dealing with the loft, you have the orientation points, so sometimes you need to manipulate these points because these points are changing the twisting of your loft. So let's make this loft, this point here. So now in this case it worked, and let's change this point to another place. So it didn't work. Let's try here, and let's try to put it in that corner. So you notice the difference lofting according to these twisting points or the guiding points. By changing to that part, when you are done, you click OK, and here you have advanced option to use a guiding curve as well. So you have points, also you can use the guiding curves, but we can make it in the next tutorial. And now click OK. So you created this shape or verse with the lofted boss.